my September plan with me. Before I get started, I just want to show you some of the amazing recreations that we had in August. Check these out. I love them. You all added your personal touches to it and made them your own. It makes me so happy seeing your recreations, so please tag me on Instagram if you decide to recreate this theme. We also had our first Simple Things list on Instagram. You guys know how much I love my Simple Things lists. Every month I like to do a list related to the month or the season, reminding you of the simple pleasures that you can enjoy that month. If you decide to do a Simple Things list this month, tag me on Instagram so I can see. I'd really love to share ideas and use the hashtag #SimpleThingsList. For September, I'm embracing simplicity and my theme is going to be based on line drawings and in some cases continuous line drawings. A continuous line drawing is when you draw an image and you don't take your pen off the page. You take a complex image and recreate it in just 1 or 2 lines. Taking a complex image and simplifying it with 1 or 2 lines is a really nice way of simplifying the complex world around us. So when I started looking on Pinterest for line drawings and continuous line drawings, I just fell in love with the style and had to do it in my journal. I've shared my Pinterest board in the description box below if you'd like to see the original pictures that inspired my drawings. I've also got a link down there for a 30-minute line drawing course that I did on Skillshare. This video isn't sponsored, I'm just loving Skillshare at the moment, so I applied to be part of their affiliate program. So check out my link, you get 2 free months of Skillshare and you can cancel after the free trial if you've done all the courses that you've done, or like me, if you're enjoying it so much and have more courses to do, you can carry on with a monthly membership. So check out my link and I'll get straight to the video now. Since this theme is about simplicity, I'm starting with a quote that will say, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." I'm drawing a few simple lines to form what hopefully looks like a sophisticated woman in a stylish hat. I love that you can get a feeling of sophistication with hardly any detail in the picture. I'll be using a black fineliner and 2 acrylograph pens for the whole setup, and doing 2 simple shapes across all of my spreads to embrace the simplicity. Now I'm going back to my drawing to colour in a rectangle with my peach acrylograph pen and a semicircle above in pink. In my last video, I shared some simple ways to use acrylograph pens in your journal, and this is one of the colour combinations that I came across when I was doing that video, and I really liked it. I've shared my Archer and Olive referral link in the description below, which gives you 15% off until the 4th of September. On my cover page, I'm doing a line drawing of a woman with a blissful look on her face. I smudged the lips a little, so I'm covering it up with my white jelly roll. I think it's the shape of her face, her lips and the curves in her shoulders that make her look like a woman without any other features or details. I'm now going in with my acrylograph pens to colour in my background shapes. Next, I have my monthly log. On the corner of the page, I'm drawing a woman with her hair sweeping across her face. It looks simple, but it was a bit tricky getting the curves right. It's not quite how I wanted it to turn out, but I think it will do. Finally, I'm highlighting the weekends on my monthly log with a Tombow brush pen, which I think is easier for highlighting in this way than an acrylograph pen. I'm doing a continuous line drawing of a leaf. It's really simple, you can't get it wrong. I love the flowing lines in continuous line drawing. Now I have my simple things list for September. September always feels like a fresh start, probably because we've spent so much of our lives living in academic years. Also, the change in season always brings about fresh new energy to do something new. On my simple things list, I have make a collage with your summer photos, start the season with a new notebook, which I'm doing right now, notice summer turning into autumn, take comfort from a return to routine, take a course to learn something new. On my gratitude log, I'm doing a continuous line drawing of a rose. It's important to start in the right place. For this, the starting point is the outer left line that then spirals towards the centre. The curves then end up being in the right place because of the starting point directing my hand the right way. As always, I'll share my completed gratitude log on Instagram. My son starts school in September and it will trigger a new routine for all of us, so I thought it would be good to do a daily routine page to capture my ideal routine. I'll complete this in my monthly How I Plan video, where I share how I fill out all of my spreads. I'm now doing a simple silhouette of a woman. The female body does amazing things and you can capture the beauty of it in just a few lines. Here's a continuous line drawing of a face with a sense of calm in the face. I started the line from the inside of the eye, coming out and down to form the face. This spread is to capture all of the things that I love and appreciate about autumn, to remind me to pay attention to and enjoy the change of season. Now for my weekly setup. This is my favourite weekly layout because I have space for a mini calendar on the left and a list of tasks. There's also plenty of space for my daily tasks in the middle. And goals over on the opposite side. I'm drawing a continuous line drawing of someone in the lotus position, meditating or doing some yoga. A good reminder to bring daily yoga back into my life. Here's my final flip through. I hope you enjoyed this setup and the focus on simplicity. What simple things do you love about autumn? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.